Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to connect Pabbly and ConvertKit. So guys, I made this table over here so we can dive in deeper. So this is a step-by-step guide, so just simply follow along. So first, just simply go to your Pabbly account and just simply sign in and just simply open the settings tab. And after that, just simply navigate to connections. And from there, just simply click on add new connection. And from there, in the search bar, guys, just simply type in ConvertKit and just simply select it. And now just simply give your connection a name and just simply enter your ConvertKit API key and secret API key. So guys, in order for you to find your API key and secret API key, so guys, first just simply go to your ConvertKit and go to the profile on top right over here. And after that, just simply go for the settings. And on the left side, you should be able to see here developer down below. So just simply click on this one. And after that, guys, you should be able to see here your API key and API secret. So just simply copy these two and just simply save it to finalize the connection. I hope this video helped you understand more. And if you do, leave a like and thanks for watching.